Yep, you did it again. You clicked on another video. Thank you so much. Well, I know you're ready to grow, so let's get started and let's go. Grow, eco neighbor, grow, 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 eco neighbor, grow, 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 eco neighbor, grow, 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 eco neighbor. Birthday, 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 birthday. Okay, fam, there's multiple ways of doing this thing. What I'm about to do is, this is a blueberry bush, and I want more blueberry bushes from this plant because I know it actually produces, it does great, it takes care of business. So I want more babies from this plant. So let me share with you a way that I will get more plants out of this one plant. And it's a simple process, okay? So first, I look in this plant, and it's low to the ground, which is a good thing for me. I take low to the ground as an opportunity. And this branch right here is a perfect candidate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay this branch, I'm gonna have a root system to start growing right about there on this branch. And the top of this will be a whole complete tree. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some soil right here, then I'm gonna lay something heavy on it, and then I'm gonna give it some time to develop a root system here, and then I would just simply cut it here, and then I get a brand new plant off of here. So let's do it. I got some old soil that I've been had. I put it right here at the base where I want to lay it at, and I'm going to lay it like so. And then I'll take some more soil and I'll put it on top, okay? I got one hand, so I'm gonna have to do it in a creative way. So I'm just gonna work this in, put soil on the top, put soil on the bottom. Soil on top, soil on the bottom. And then from here, I'm gonna take it. And then I'm gonna place me a rather large object on top of it to keep it down close to the ground. And then I'll leave this here for maybe just say about a month or two. And then I'll come back and check on it, and I guarantee you I'll start seeing some roots. I've done this multiple places in my yard. I do it with multiple plants. And here are some of the results of some of those plants. Right here are some smaller baby hedges that I did the same thing. These are gardenia plants right here. They are already trying to bloom in some places, but these are gardenias. I did the same process. I took a branch, I laid it down, I put some dirt at the bottom of it, I put the branch across there, and then I put some dirt at the top. And that's the result. You get a brand new plant. Very good with like hedges or low to the ground type plants. Here's another example of one I done maybe about a week ago. You can barely see it, it's not enough light. But I took this ligustrum bush here. It's quite large. It's pretty tall. And the low hanging branches, I just simply put some dirt up underneath it, then lay the branch down, put some dirt on top, and then put something weighty on top of it. And what'll happen is it'll start growing roots. So there you have it. A little quick fix to just get more plants. Some people air lay. I do air laying. I do that too, especially if it's high where I can't reach it. But for those plants that are just kind of low to the ground, that's the way to do it. All right.